Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an exciting topic that's gaining traction in the world of low-resource computing, the Armbian Linux build framework. So, what is Armbian? Well, it's essentially a versatile tool that helps users build custom Linux images optimized specifically for low-resource hardware. Think of it like a tailored suit for your computer, designed to fit perfectly and make the most out of what you have. Now, why is this important? In our increasingly tech-driven world, not everyone has access to high-end hardware. Many users rely on low-cost or older devices to perform their everyday tasks. That's where Armbian steps in. It streamlines the entire process of creating a Linux distribution, guiding users through the ins and outs of kernel creation, bootloader compilation, and image generation, all while ensuring a consistent user experience across various platforms. If you're considering getting started with Armbian, you'll need a few things. First, you'll want either an x86-64 or AArch64 machine with at least 2 GB of memory and about 35 GB of disk space. You can go for a virtual machine, container, or even a bare metal installation. Next up, you'll need an operating system like Armbian or Ubuntu Jammy 22.04.x, and let's not forget, super user rights are a must. Now let's talk about the installation process, because this is where it can get a little technical. Users can clone the repository from GitHub and run a simple command to start compiling. It's broken down into interactive modes that allow you to see exactly what's happening behind the scenes, which can be pretty fascinating if you're like me and love to understand how things work. Speaking of customization, one of the standout features of Armbian is its build parameters. For instance, if you wanted to create a minimal CLI version of Armbian for a specific board like the Banana Pi M5, there's a dedicated command for that. It's so cool how a few lines of code can pave the way for a fully functional operating system tailored to a specific hardware setup. Now, you might be wondering, how does Armbian stack up against other build systems like Yocto or Buildroot? Here's a quick rundown. Armbian targets general-purpose embedded systems while offering a complete maintenance solution for various boards. It also uses Debian or Ubuntu as its root file system with a package manager based on apt, making it relatively easy to work with, especially if you're familiar with these systems. The project structure itself is quite robust. It's organized into directories for caching, configuration files, and output artifacts, which helps simplify the process for developers. There's even a special section for user patches, allowing users to customize their builds further. But what if you hit a roadblock? No worries, Armbian has a vibrant community of contributors, forums for discussion, and even channels on platforms like Discord and IRC. It's a great place to seek help, share ideas, or simply connect with fellow tech enthusiasts. To wrap things up, Armbian is more than just a build framework. It's a community-driven project that empowers users to maximize the potential of their low-resource hardware. So whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious newcomer, Armbian provides you with the tools and support necessary to build your own custom Linux experiences. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried building your own Armbian image? What challenges did you face? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk Today. Until next time, keep exploring the vast world of technology.